I'm proud, yes, I'm proud of the pantry, I suppose, because it's successful and people love it so much. And every year they keep telling me, oh my God, I'm just delighted to see the door open. That keeps me going, really. Then I know, yeah, it's worth all this hard work. I come home exhausted at night time, but I'm ready to go the following morning again. Once I turn the key in the door, it's away we go. Home economics was my first choice then in school. I just loved it. I was very lucky to get a place in Sign Hill, met a great group of people, great friends, which I still have, and started the pantry actually when I was in the Donaghy School in Dublin, and that was 1982. And it started really as a little hobby. When I got my school holidays, I was out the door down that Naas Road from Dublin and opened for the summer months. When I started, it was basic, I suppose, and I suppose we had a lot to learn, but we still had the ethos of making everything. Everything was made from scratch even then. And we were the only coffee shop in Kilkee. There was nowhere to have even a cup of tea, cup of coffee. There were no fancy baristas, nothing. And the first day we opened, a bus pulled up and we nearly got heart attacks. We couldn't cope. The type of person I am, I'm hardworking, but I'm meticulous. I check the recipes, I taste the sauces. I know nearly with my eyes if something isn't right, and I know I'm lucky that I'm able to correct it. In the mornings I do all the baking from 5 a.m. You know, I come in and I just get in at it because I feel the mixing of the bread, the mixing of the scones, everybody's hands are different. I need them to be the same consistent scone because people come back every year. They want the coffee scone, they want the fruit scone like they got last year. Our ingredients are the key. We've no additives, no preservatives. Everything is made fresh and wholesome, like Mammy used to make, like my Nana used to make, and that's what people want. Quality and good ingredients is the secret of success. And I suppose the most important word there is hard work. It's just to apply yourself. We have lots of staff in the pantry, 35 people are employed every year, and I have great friends in my staff. Maureen King was always the chef in the kitchen, and Bernie Hawk helped me downstairs. So they were great key people to me and made it possible to run the pantry to the standard that it is today. I just love it. It is hard work, but very, very rewarding, especially when you're successful. And everybody loves the pantry and they're so delighted when we open that door. They run into us and say, God, I saw a bag down the beach, the pantry is opened. When you hear that kind of thing, that gives you a buzz that you just feel, God, it's great to be here. I learned everything from my mother, really. She had pride, she had good principles of food, and that's what gave it to me, I would think. And I suppose I'm very like her, I'm hardworking, and you know, I enjoyed the food the same as what she did. My mum is here and she's making the apple tart, and that was in our first pantry. And my friend Siobhan that started it with me is there beside her. And we're making the apple tart exactly the same today. So that's a great photograph. That brings back many memories. We're a little old-fashioned here. We do everything the right way, and that's really the secret of the pantry.